Farm tour, Somaliland tourist farm tour by accident because we had a little date tree problem. So join us, Somaliland tourist farm tour. On a mission today. Okay, so we did not find a male palm tree to pollinate our female palm tree, so we're headed to Hargeisa. We didn't find any grown male palm trees, awkward, in the city of Hargeisa, so we're headed to a farm. We asked our neighbor who took his camels to go for a big watering, seasonal watering, and he said, up there, halka. So we have a big description of where it's at. We shall try to find. We got this one date tree that we're prioritizing, huh? I don't know. But one date tree will produce like 4 cartons of dates. Yeah. It's worth it. It's worth the mission. Let's go find out. tilmaamka hore u socon buu ahaa hore u socda ana isqaybisiinay in macnaana ilaawin hore u soco wad ku xasuusan baa islaha hore haadli iyo hore u soco hore haadli diig balacas okay hore haadli iyo balacas axage beey baxay meel yiraahdo beey ku taalo marka wixii yiraahdo bari beey ku jirta ana waa farxay markii la yiraahdo beey baxay beey ku taalo hore haad meel yiraahdo noo socon so stop by ask the locals fresh mid fresh halkan naga tiriyo wada saxiixata traffic beeralay traffic meel kala bayro male saacadina waa kalka inaga soo saacada qurux badan loo oba It's like an open gate policy. I'll walk right in, nobody minds. Now this is a bear. Can I I'm بشك. Come on in. I'm بشك. موج نورا. بالنور. كاميرا استهش مام So we found one that has seeded. That means there has to be another one here to give birth. I'm using all the wrong terms, but you don't call it a male or a female or he or her.
Don't know the English words, but wow.
أفر نوع سعيد على أفر. حقيقة عم كرتون يبغى.
Hi, Mom. Halkii kartoon he. Halkii gacan.
halkii gacan kartoon buu
Wow.
afar saasaana soo bax oo u baahan haddaanay helinna sidaas uu engegay bahasha yar engegayna iska dhacday oo kale ayuu noqonay
Xagga si ka soo qaraya.
u bislaanaya Look at واحد مدو ما ضل. Look at this. مركب سلادو مدوغاني.
حد رادين مركا.
لبن رادين يا كيلو طلالي لها كون. مركب أوبح صوبهم. أيام مدير لسالو تابسية أو لبكة.
Okay.
كيلو طلالي لها رادين.
Clearly something was here. Someone.
نمان كان ورثنا هنا مرة. سيدا وطلالين تنا ويدين. ماشي وقيانين لبكة.
Itus. Isagoo qaydina baad furtay. Okay, weligay maan arkin amba.
عودينا وحبلك علي عودينا وحبلو
Halkaas is ka sanqarayaan. They're coming out of the door. We called them out of the... MashaAllah. We found it. It's a maze. Let me get out of here. Ka badan kartoon. I just love how peaceful it is. You can enter anyone's farm property with no suspicion. Nobody cares. They don't mind. There's so much honesty and trust in our people. Hadda marka waa hore hore u soco. We gotta find another farm. That one already produced its flowers.
magac saas kula baxday intaay hore u soco mid bay ku sii diibaysaa hore u soco
Horo. Attempt number 2. You can see some palm trees in the distance, so hope there's some stuff over there because that one looks really tall. I don't think we can reach it. Back to Boyinkan. Moose. Demil Douglas way mad keeni.
يبرو بحر وبحير جيت كلام تبع منها
وانك ما يصوب ملكه
Okay, well, in the end, we were just a couple weeks too late. It turns out that there was no tree left for pollination. They've already done their job. As you can see here, there are bundles of dates wrapped in bags so that the birds don't peck away at them.
waan ka xunnahay waan ka soo gaari weynay way naga hor dhashay timirtan imikaanu aragno sanadka dambe insha Allah inaanu ka soo gaarno tani way noo suurtoobi weyde laakiin waxbaan ka soo faa'iidno dee dhulka quruxda badan iyo beeraha quruxda badan ayaanu ka soo faa'iidnay sida ay mahmaahdu tiraadaba nimaan dhul marin dhaaye male
Okay, farm number 3, third attempt. I think barnaamijka halkaas inay ku dhamaanayso. We are out of season. I don't think we're gonna get. These have all given seeds already. They've been bagged and packaged. You can see by packaged I mean they've been like bagged. But how? Legdi la fududa. Come on. How can I? Uguna. Yes, Ugun, lakin. Oh. Wow, this is wow, okay, that was worth it actually. You still have hope? Rich. maxay yiraahdeen tu laabti buki lahayd lugta hadaasho I got it. Yes.
may noqon
hadaasho
waxa hoos ka soo dhacay waxa way daadinaysaa ya iska daadin ka xawayaan baa cunaya deeqa baa cunay waa uu ninkaas bacda u gudmid biraha taa koronay
Come on. I don't know about this one. Wow. That was lesson number 1. Alla go garati. That's it. I'm finished, anigu. I will stay here. Halkan igu reeba. Halkan aan ku haray. Okay. Wow. Bench wad heshay. Fadhi. Kurva lagu dhisaa. Okay.